I see you wherever I go, and you don't even know.
Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to talk to you guys about a product review that we're gonna do on Salon quality French tip nails that is supposed to be under 5 minutes to do, and I'm very excited about it. As you guys know, I am a mom and working and everything else in life. You most of the time want to go to a salon to get the just time away, but sometimes we ain't got that opportunity, especially right now in COVID. So I found this website online that has French tips that you can actually just purchase the actual tips alone. If you guys are interested to see how well they come out, because I know I am, then just keep watching this video. So I purchased these for $10. They're 500 individual French tip nails. They go from 0 to 9 in size, 0 being the largest and then 9 being the smallest. So they come in these little packets like this. And again, all together it's 500. What I did before I even started the video is I went through every pack to see exactly which nail would work best for my little baby fingers that I have, so y'all didn't have to see that. I found a plastic container that I got when I was doing Halloween candies for something, and I dumped those out because they were old. And I used this as my new nail French tip holder. So I put the numbers of which finger needs which number. So I am 2, which is my thumb, 3, which is my middle finger, 4 is my ring finger, 5 is my pointer, and 8 is my little baby pinkies. Again, I have baby fingers, as you guys can see. I did prep them because my nails have just been like through the ringer right now with all the washing and everything. I just wanted to kind of prep my nails so they looked somewhat good on this video. Welcome to my little phalanges. Again, this is what my nails look like right now. Don't they look so pretty? I know. I purchased this on Amazon. It automatically starts when you put your hands in, goes for 60 seconds. The second part about this is that I purchased the glue when I purchased the nails. Sadly, the glue did not come in. So this is not the glue that comes with the set, just so you guys know. I had to go to CVS to find this. We just can hope that this works. Let's try to get as close to it as possible. Hopefully this works, cause I really want some French tips. Oh, look at that. French tip, done. Look at that, and done. Alright, so we're gonna just do one hand at a time. Hopefully I don't butcher the other one because I'm not a lefty at all. Look at me, nail tech Jamie over here. What? Y'all playing with me, right? Look at that. Look at that. Girl. I'm just bending it a little bit so it curls to my nail. I'm so excited. 2 done, you guys. Look at me, I am a pro now. All right, my middle finger is gonna be number 3. Again, you just wanna line it up to make sure it's good to go. A-okay, yes we are. Look at that, you guys. Less than 5 minutes. Salon quality nails, French tips. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I can't wait to see all of them done. So cute. So now that I'm done, I'm gonna put them in the dryer for 60 seconds. See, so I've done 2 for the right side. Trying to paint my nails and everything is a little difficult right now. Y'all just let me know when y'all want me to do y'all's French tip. I got you, boo. Well guys, that is it. I have to say I'm super excited about this. This actually worked. It took less than 5 minutes, you guys. 5 minutes to do my French tip nails. Super excited about it. Looks really cute. I tried to put some jewels on one of them and I'm now regretting. I'm not saying that it doesn't look good. I'm just like, girl, you ain't no professional. Stop. Just The only negative thing I would say is that the glue that was supposed to come with this did not, because it's on back order. So I got the French tip without the glue. I think that would be the only thing. I don't know what the other glue would do. So I'm hoping that these at least stay on for like a week to 2 weeks. Just to kind of see how well they do. So far, they're doing pretty well. I've had them on for about 30 minutes to an hour now. I mean, I think they're gonna last. I'm super excited about it. I really hope they stay on my nails. As of right now, yes, I would recommend them to you. Again, it was like less than $10, took less than 5 minutes. And I'm super impressed and I really do like them. That is it, guys. Thanks so much for watching and hanging out with me today. If you're not already and you'd like to be, please subscribe to my channel. Also, make sure you hit that notification bar, girl, so you know when I upload a new video. As always, I love you guys and I'll talk to you soon. Bye!
You are the stranger.